Well friends, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. TC Paul. We are going to learn phrasal verbs. There are 10 phrasal verbs are given in the board. Let us start from come. Everywhere we see come word is common, right? Common defines here to follow, to someone, right, or something. Come out means to become public or to appear before the people. Come out with means to speak out rudely or suddenly talking with someone. Come over defines here come to meet, right, to a person, right. Come through defines recover from fatal illness or fatal disease. Come to means come in sense. Come in sense, when someone is talking with sense is called come to. Commander means under someone when somebody is working. Come up means to rise up or to rise or to prepare of doing good or getting good. Come up with means confront with someone, right. Come up to means to reach to the destination. Well friends, let us come these words in Hindi meaning as well to understand, right. These words are important for understanding passage and writing good English. Come on means आना, come on means follow, अनुसरण करना. Come out जो मीनिंग जो होता है पब्लिक या appear, किसी का सामने प्रकट होना या प्रकाशित का होना, वो भी appear, प्रकाशित बुक प्रकाशित होना, इस तरीके में come out होता है. Come out with means speak बोलना और ख़राब तरीक़ा से बोलना और तुरंत आके बोलना या तो घोषणा करना को भी बोलता है. कम ओवर का मतलब होता है कम टू मीट, किससे मिलने आना. कम थ्रू का मीनिंग होता है रिकवर फ्रॉम फैटल इलनेस, कोई भी ख़राब बीमारी से जब आप रिकवर होते हो अच्छे हो जाते हो तो कम थ्रू बोलता है. कम टू मीन्स होता है कम इन सेंस, समझ में आना, यानी कोई भी चीज़ दिमाग में समझ में आता है उसी को कम टू बोलता है. कमांडर अंडर समवन, किसी का अंडर में काम करते हुए पोजीशन को कम अंडर बोलता है. या तो कम अप, राइज या तो प्रिपेयर, ये वृद्धि होना या तो प्रिपेयर हो जाना, निश्चित हो जाना. कम अप विथ कन्फ्रंट या सामना होना. कम अप टू का मतलब होता है रीच, पहुंचना. क्लियर. तो फ्रेंड्स once again please note down. Come on, follow, come out, public or to appear before the person or public. Come out with to speak rudely or speak suddenly. Come over to meet someone, right, to someone's place. Come through means recover from illness. Once if somebody is recovering from illness, then we say he came through from fever. Come to means to come to the sense of speaking or talks rightly. Commander means under someone. Come up, rise or prepare. Come up with, you confront, come up to reach. Thank you very much friends.